A while back I made a video about how to trim your motor up and down if your trim motor goes out. This happened to me on 4th of July, which was the worst possible time for your motor to go out and to be stuck on an island. Luckily enough, we were with some friends and they were able to help out, and they showed me how to manually release the pressure so that the motor can lift up and down. And this here is just a follow-up video where my neighbor is actually helping me put on the new trim motor that I purchased online. At first glance, I thought this was going to be a really expensive job, having to take it to the shop, but with a little bit of time, $100 later, I was back in the water the next day. It's a very easy process once you realize what all you have to do, which is really removing the trim motor, disconnecting a few wires, and replacing new housing, which comes with the kit that you order with the trim motor. And then, short of adding trim fluid and powering it back on to make sure the motor actually trims up and down, you're good to go. One thing I will say is just make sure, however you do your connection, that you have it correct, because if you're not paying attention, you can reverse it, which is what happened to us the first time. Easy fix, but save yourself that step by just making sure your connections are set up correctly to avoid being reversed. Which again, if you hit the trim switch down, it would go up, versus if you hit it up, it goes down. So just don't do that. Anyways, again, you can do this yourself. The only other difficult part with this was just removing the back bolt, which they don't make it really easy and accessible to get to, but with a little bit of patience, you can remove it, and everything else is kind of straightforward from there. But let me know if you have any questions. If you've done this before. Now that I've done it once, I think I'm good doing it if I need to do it again a second time. But definitely from a difficulty scale from 1 to 10, this was right around 3 with the help of my neighbor, because he had done it before. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys out in the water again.